Hey loves, it's Time the Infamous here and welcome back to my channel, girl. I am so happy you guys have been hanging out with me today. I just came from getting my nails done. I just thought I would do a really quick sit down, open a few PR packages. I also got some fan mail from you guys. My P.O. box is always in the description box down below. I'm gonna give away a box of makeup to one of you lucky viewers. All you have to do is thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below with your email. Let me know what is your holy grail skincare product. So just let me know down below. We are gonna get into one that I am so excited about. Okay, you guys, so as you know, when I run to get my nails done, I do not wear any makeup. I just have a little bit of liner, lipstick, and yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for the day. My daytime look is complete. Do a few things around the house. I'm gonna put up some of my clothes in the closet, so we're gonna be doing that. And I'm also gonna make a bite to eat because I'm getting really hungry. And then after that, girl, we are gonna be checking out the 1212 Gateway skincare by Catherine from the Ace family. I just wanted to really see at the end of the day how it would do. And this wig is from Princess Hair Plug. This is in the color Purple Rain. This is pre-dyed, so you do not have to worry about it. If you're not good at it, you can just purchase already colored. So let's just get to it. Okay, you guys, so it is hours later. I have fallen asleep. The sun is now coming up at this point. I ate and I laid down thinking I was just gonna close my eyes. So, needless to say, the Fast Bee makeup held up really good. Underneath here, this is my own mascara, and I did not touch my lips at all. It is looking good, you guys. Now, on to the moment we have been waiting for, 12/12 Gateway. We are just gonna get into it, you guys. So when you get the package, it looks like this. One thing that I did not like is that it just shipped like this. There was no protective layer, no, type of wrap. Obviously, they're not in any boxes. So the way that this came, especially during COVID, just feels, I just don't get the best vibe off of that. The packaging isn't super snug or anything. The other product was the lip balm. I was really excited for the lip balm. I was excited about that over anything else. I was using it for 2 weeks, you guys. I think it's in one of my pockets or something. I did not like the lip balm. For one, it gets in the inside of your mouth. You can taste it. It like gets stuck in your throat. When there's like oil, you guys, that is what it was like. I was like, okay, maybe I can look past that. If it makes my lips better, then great. You guys, my lips were so freaking chapped, okay? That lip balm does nothing. I think that Catherine's campaign was absolutely beautiful. I was watching the behind the scenes. I think the team she hired was absolutely amazing. They actually did the campaign in her bathroom and just made it look so high scale. That is what sold me on this. The next product that I've been using is the beauty oil. I will say with the beauty oil, I do like the beauty oil. Even though it hasn't had any lasting effects, like, after you rinse it off, I don't feel like my body is more moisturized or anything like that. There are a few things with this. Decently thick. It is not super thin. I like thicker oils. And my boyfriend has actually been using this on me to massage my back and my feet. And it does feel good. The smell isn't like my favorite. I don't really care for the smell. But to get started, because I usually use my Dermalogica oil to remove my makeup, I'm just gonna try the beauty oil and see if it does anything. Now, if it doesn't, I'm not gonna hold anything against them because they did not claim that, but it is great to use an oil to remove your makeup for your first removal. So let's just see. This is called Sunray Beauty Oil. So she made it so that you can use it on your face. Okay, it's doing pretty good. I can tell it's not meant for this, but I just wanted to test it out and see if it could be used for something else as well. I'm just using my Chanel makeup remover, my favorite one, just to get my eyes as usual. So we are gonna move into the cleanser, and I have not touched anything else, so I have no idea what it's going to be like. I hope it does not smell like the other products. Let's see. We are about to get into, so it's like a milky ish cleanser. And that smells good. Thank goodness it doesn't smell like the other stuff. We are going to get into, girl, was this another Ace Family scam? From the jump, there was a lot of false advertising, and I even fell a victim to it, and I was really upset about it. I felt like with this launch, there were some misleading promotions going on. I was not happy at all. For one of the item I was most excited for was the oversized lip balm. From this cutout, you can see how small the lip balm is, but the only one Catherine was promoting was this huge XL lip balm. So I was really excited, and I thought, oh, that's what we're going to be purchasing. This cleanser feels very good. It feels like squalene is in it, very soft, very moisturizing. So I thought, that's what we were gonna get. That's only one of the things. Next, She said you can purchase everything separately or you can get the gift set because this was this launched around Christmas. She said that you are going to be able to go live on the site the night before launch to get acquainted with the website. I was looking forward to that because of course I'm an influencer. I like to, you know, see what I should buy or what is available. That didn't happen. That never happened. The site never opened. The site only opened on the big launch day. It was a frenzy to say the least. The gift set was promoted first on the website and it showed the box and it was for $100. I thought, great, I got everything, it'll be here, right? Wrong. For this gift set, it should have said travel set or mini gift set. On the website, there were no sizes of the product. So even if I did go to say the moisturizer on her website, there was no like 0.5 ounces on there to be able to, you know, compare that to the gift set size. So it seemed like you were getting full size for $100. In reality, you're getting mini sizes. She never said anything until several hours after she went live and everything was almost sold out. I thought that was very misleading because me personally, if that was the case, I don't like small sizes. I like the full sizes. I would have got everything individually. The reason I found out is because she did a snap and said, oh, this is the chapstick you get in the gift set. This is the full size chapstick. That was after everything was almost sold out. That was very sneaky. Another thing that is really odd is that nowhere on here does it say where these products are made. Yes, it says an address, Santa Cruz, California, but it does not say made in this place or that place. And that takes me to my final thought. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the eye cream. I just hate when companies do fake sellouts, you guys. The way you know is if they are able to have the product back in stock within 60 days. There's usually no way, even 30 is cutting it. The minimum is usually 60 days, 2 months. Well, they sold out and came back in stock, I believe, less than 2 weeks later, maybe 10 days, if that. So I was just like, okay, great. Here's the moisturizer, and I feel like the moisturizer is very, very low. It's not even filled up. And that eye cream is burning my eyes a little and feels a tad like it's getting a little sticky. The moisturizer feels good. It has kind of a rose scent, but I can already tell that it's going to clog my pores because it's kind of this thick, whipped, it just feels, yeah, it's starting to get a little, oh yeah. See how it's almost mattifying my fingers? Oh yeah, it's getting stuck and tacky. Remember the thing with Kylie's skin? I should not be able to lightly be pressing my skin and it should be pulling up. Oh, see, look. That's a no. And I'm not even doing it hard, you guys. That is exactly what happened with Kylie's skin. That is a sign that the products are cheap. Now, another thing, which is interesting, everything pretty much that Catherine is promoting is this oily, glowing skin. And after putting that moisturizer on, that's very sticky and matte, just so you know, that is the beauty oil. I have not tried the beauty oil on my face. You're not going, look, I'm mattified. You're not gonna get that look from the moisturizer. So you guys, that is my thoughts. The two things I like, I did like the cleanser and I have been using the beauty oil. I do like the beauty oil. That is it. Is anything else worth it from this collection? No. You know, they do have a very young fan base. I can see maybe something like that, but I would not buy the gift set. Yeah. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, we did so much today. Let me know what you guys think below about this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later.